And there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road, and there I'm married. There are cold lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me. I'm sweet, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home. The old house is still standing. All the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary. Here I hold their lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Then I'll look around me at the four gray walls that surround me. I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. But it's gone, and in a sad, sad old mountain, I'm in my will walk, daybreak, then I'll touch the green grass of home. Yes, they walk on to see me in the shade of that old tree as they lay me beneath the green grass of home.
I think that suited you down to the ground. You've got like a tiny kind of like Tom Jones voice thing going on over now. So I felt that. I do think that really suited your voice. Well done. Zoe.
First of all, I gotta be done. I just go, I'm only 5 foot, see? Is that funny? Take a photo quick. I was filming! Yeah, my first thing was you really tall. And yeah, it's been serious now. I could tell you loved every single second of that. Like on your feet, I felt like you were where you belong. Like, do you know what I mean? Like you performed it so well, and the song choice I felt was perfect for you this evening. It showed off like the powerfulness side to your voice and like the lower, like really rich tones. Yeah, your tone was really lush and old school. It was phenomenal. I really enjoyed it. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, that was a brilliant song choice. You're so powerful. I really enjoyed it. It looked like you really enjoyed it. But you really need to believe in yourself because you can sing. You can definitely sing. I think it's just a confidence thing with you, but this process will bring out the best in you. But that was outstanding. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Tom, there's nothing wrong with nerves or self-esteem, all right? You're one of these people who you've sung for a while. You know, you've done other things in the past and that. You've had this massive gap and it's like, oh, can I step back into it? Can I actually stand up again? 1 billion %, 100%, right? So you've come into this now today. Obviously, you've done your online audition, and you've come in for boot camp, and you've done this song. You showed that you can do that old school thing. I know there's so much more power behind you, which we still haven't got to see, and people will get to see it. And I want you to bring that to the table. Honestly, but you should be really proud of yourself because actually you handled yourself better than I expected you to handle yourself today. I wasn't expecting you to, you know, just get into it like that. I really wasn't, because it's your first time performing in front of people like that again. But you absolutely outdone yourself, buddy. Honestly.
Thank you very much.
Next time, please bring that theatrical stuff too, because I want people to hear what your ability is, and I know you can absolutely shine with it. So bring it, all right? But that was fantastic. Well done, man.
Thanks.